Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 231RK. Single slide out, rear kitchen, front master bedroom, 2 entry doors. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Also, remember, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time a new camper goes on, so make sure you're the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors, so make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, RV. All right, coming in the main entry door, you see the slide out, dinette. Passing through the bathroom to the bedroom, kitchen in the back. That's where we'll start. So lots of countertop space, overhead cabinetry. Your oven's got the flush mount cover that acts as a splash guard. LED lights, pots and pans drawer, lots of storage down low. Good spot for a trash can, deep drawers, deep stainless steel sink with the extended spray head. Your windows do open, receptacles throughout, little cubby holes, deep cabinets. You do have an exhaust for your range, microwave, exhaust fan in the roof, speakers. Your AC is ducted. You do have a 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. We did equip this. It's got the solar panel on the roof. You've got the skylight. Nice deep storage. So that's basically your pantry. When you come in, you've got your shoe cubby hole, little storage areas, receptacle, controls for your slide, your awning, check your holding tanks, your lights, all in one area. Stereo, got USB, you can sync your phone to that. Your TV is on a swivel arm, so you can easy access to the back of it. Your dinette goes down into a bed. We'll take a look at that. All right, table in the down position. There's your bed. Best way to travel as well. There's no chance of that popping up and going anywhere. Then setting it up, you got 2 options, the fabric or the smooth side for the back of the cushions. And then the table comes up and you're ready to eat. You got storage down low, windows that do open, and blackout shades. Directly across from the TV, you got your theater seating. Pull cord there for your footrest, cup holders. Saw that receptacle back there. Again, windows that do open. You do have a solid door that closes off the bathroom to the living area. Your thermostat. Moving into the bathroom, you got nice countertop, good storage. Little vanity, receptacles. You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet, squared off shower. So nice room. Again, I'm 6'5". I'm in the dome, so you probably got 1 more inch there. Your roller shower door / curtain. It does prevent spills. If you're not a fan of that, you can put your own shower curtain rings and shower curtain here. Exhaust, little cubby holes for linens. Another solid door closes off the bedroom to the bathroom. Queen walk around bed. Under the bed, you got storage with shocks to hold it up for you. Second entry door. Charging areas, receptacle on both sides, your backer for the TV if you want to add a bedroom TV. Again, blackout shades, fire escape window. It does open for ventilation. Good storage. You got more storage at the foot of the bed here, and that's going to be your good hanging area. Nice deep drawers. Your brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 231RK. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside. See the Transcend logo on the front. Two 20-pound LP bottles under the cover. Power tongue jack. Nice model number right there on the tongue itself. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with one. 231 has got a dry weight of 6,272 pounds. See in their docking area, you got a battery disconnect, cable, water hookup, feed everything right through the bottom here, so you can keep that door shut. Nice and clean storage, motion sensor lighting. Magnetic latch holds those up. One nice feature, look at that. 2 locks to hold that in place, and a third when you use the key. Keeps a nice even connection. No warping over time. Nice straight compartment door. Moving down the side, you see a black tank flush. Your sewer and gray tank hookups. Nice deep slide. Moving around to the back, you see we are looking at a 30 amp service. All 4 corner manual stabilizer jacks. Check in the description down below. I'll show you setup and breakdown of those. Your gray tank in the back because you've got the rear kitchen. So 2 gray tanks on this. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Checking out the roof, you got the solar panel up front, your roof vents, TV antenna, your air conditioner, another roof vent, your skylight, top of that slide out. Exhaust for your range. You are prepped for a backup camera. Spare tire mounted on the bumper. Going around to the door side, you have front and rear entry doors. Again, nice large logo, large assist handles on both doors. Full-length power awning, it does cover both doors. Outside speakers, got a hookup for a TV. Little LED light. The other side of your pass-through storage. Your brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 231RK. All right, as promised, to slide in, you got full access to the fridge. You got to be real skinny to get through there. So to get to the bathroom or the bedroom, you got to go through the master bedroom and you get in the bathroom and the bedroom. So 2 entry doors for a reason.